Okay, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new DPA 2017 shotgun microphone. So here, as you can see, we've got the DPA box, completely different color from their usual line. Usually they have it in white, and this one is primarily black with the DPA logo. You can see the 2017 sticker on it, as well as the Gotham Sound inventory sticker. But overall, it's a nice small box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, opens pretty easily. Inside, we've got a couple of little cards, including warranty information, which is great. Fill out the warranty for sure, because DPA has some fantastic warranties, but definitely make sure you register in case there are any recalls for any reason whatsoever. Comes with a nice mic pouch, and then we see the microphone itself. So we've got it comes with a standard mic clip, which that's pretty interesting right there. It's a donut configuration as opposed to a clip that you clip into. Comes with a windscreen, which is fantastic. A lot of microphones don't come with windscreens these days. And then, of course, the 2017 itself. So we will feel that. It's got some heft to it. It's definitely not as light as the 4017 was, but it's all one piece. So no modular. It's not going to come off. It definitely feels solid. 3-pin XLR connector, phantom power. Interference tube. The thing about this is that, DPA has always made high-end microphones, nice sounding, quiet, but they've always been a little bit more expensive than, say, your entry-level microphone. So this one is significantly less expensive at $995. I'll just go over some of the specs on this. And I'm not going to pretend like I've memorized them. So it is a supercardioid, so shotgun, with a condenser microphone, frequency response of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Let's see, there is a soft boost at 15K, which is nice for vocals. Let's see what else we have here. Distortion is 140 dB SPL, so it's got it can take some noise and some sound. And what else? It's black. It weighs 115 grams. It's 19 millimeters, so it's the same general dimensions as your 4017, MKH416, whatnot. And here you can see what the frequency response is and what the pickup pattern is. So the thing to do is not necessarily just to test it, but to really see how it sounds. So I've got another microphone here that I've been recording this video on. I'm going to slide this into an equivalent mount right next to it. And then I'm going to plug in, and you can see we're recording this on a Sound Devices 888. All of the EQ and limiter and compression has been turned off, so it should be fairly accurate. And if I can figure out how to get the mic connector in, we'll make it so it's roughly the same height. You can hear all the fiddling that I'm doing. There we go. Okay. Not super scientific, but so now we've got them roughly at the same point. I'm going to turn off mic 1 and bring on mic 2, so stand by. Okay, so this is the DPA 2017. So it is set approximately the same. It's got approximately the same sensitivity as the other microphone. And we could do a little bit of switching back and forth, and we could do a little bit of panning if we want to. But it does sound really smooth. It sounds very, very smooth. There's no noticeable additional noise. It seems quiet, but particularly the voice. And I really dislike the sound of my own voice. But in terms of how my voice sounds, it sounds as good as it ever does. So anyway, you have it be your opinion. It's either number A, this is microphone A, or the DPA 2017. And this is the DPA 2017. You pick. Thanks so much for watching. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to GothamSound.tv. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram and X and anywhere else you think. And if you have ideas for more videos that you'd like to see, including unboxings like this, please email us at info@gothamsound.com. Thank you so much.